Never seen clouds like that before. I don't even know what that is all about.
What time is it? 7:15. What time was the last time I asked? Yeah, okay. Weird. Well, they could sit, but then we have to let this steak rest. Weird. Oh wow. That's becoming. That's like a Hurricane Plus. I know, looks like it is. Whoa. Yes, it does. Here's a picture of those clouds.
Well, taking a video, yeah.
That's some weird fucking shit.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you should see them. They're rolling up on themselves and everything here. Like, oh, you should see them over here. Holy shit! It is sure is. Oh. Holy crap! Look at them over here. They're crazy. Oh yeah, and they're like rolling up on each other, and some of them are going up this way, some of them are coming across this way. Like, that's a pretty serious front coming through. That's pretty wild. You can see it just rolling on itself, man. Like, those are crazy colors. Wow. That is something else. Oh, time to get storm hunting today, eh? Wow, look at the movement up there. Holy doodles. Holy shit. Wow. Holy shit. Those are wild clouds, man. Those are crazy clouds, hey? Those are crazy clouds. Well, look up. Look at them. Take them in on this. Don't look at them on a screen, because you won't. They don't look as magnificent. You got to see them like this. That's a magnificent front moving through.
Does it actually seem like there's a tornado gonna happen?
It's the same colors that it would be if it was, yeah.
And it's moving really quick. Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
I'm going to the basement, you guys.
That's beautiful. You don't have to go to the basement. Oh, I might have fucked it up by having it the other way the whole time. For the last 6 minutes, yeah.